we will discuss about the quadratic formula. How do we can find out x equals to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac out of 2a from the general equation of quadratic ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0 when a is not equals to 0. Okay, the way we prove it, we have to follow the step. The first step is you divide. So I'm gonna write down the step. So the step 1, you divide or dividing each term by a because a is not equals to 0. So you're dividing each term by a. When a is not equals to 0, then a x squared plus bx, you divide it with a. Okay, when you divide it all the equation with a, then this is going to be bx out of a plus c out of a, then this is equals to 0. Now as you can see that there is the term that we can simplify. So as we dividing each term with a, then we will get x squared plus b out of ax plus c out of a equals to 0. Let's try to identify. The a value from this is 1, and then here is b out of a, and that is c equals to c out of a. Don't forget that. So a, b, c. So we have each term, the value of each term. Now step 2. In step 2, we have to do rearrangement. Let's do rearrangement. The rearrangement, x squared plus b out of ax. So we can move c out of a into the right side. So it turns into c out of a, or negative c out of a. Step 3, we do completing the square on both sides. So you do completing the square on both sides. So when you do completing the square on both sides, then x squared plus b out of a. Don't forget, when you want to do completing by square, this is plus b out of ax plus the b value, you divide it with 2. The b value you divide it with 2. So then this is going to be b out of a divide by 2 square equals to negative c out of a plus b out of a out of 2 square. Now we can try to solve one by one. So x squared plus b out of ax, then this is turns into b out of 2a square equals to negative c out of a plus b out of 2a square. Once we got that, so we can see on both sides that this is the left hand side and that's the right hand side. Now we have to solve the right hand side first. So x squared plus b out of ax plus b out of 2a square equals to, you just rearrange b out of 2a square minus c out of a. Okay, we got that. Now let's do the next step. The next step, or step 4, we have to factorize. So x squared plus b out of ax plus b out of 2a squared, and then b out of 2a squared, I can solve it by b squared out of 4a squared minus c out of a. Now what I can see here is, on the left side I have to factorize it, on the right side I have to simplify that. So here I can factorize and simplify. I can add it, simplify. So if I want to factorize, then it turns into x plus b out of 2a squared. So that is the factorizations of that equations. Now on the right hand side, I have to solve this algebra by doing cross multiplication. So b squared times a minus 4a squared times c out of 4a squared times a. And then let's do like one by one. X plus b out of 2a equals to, you take out a from each term, so a, then this is remaining b squared minus 4a c out of a 4a squared. Now you can see that we can simplify a, so I can cancel this, I can cancel that a. Now x plus b out of 2a square, it goes to b squared minus 4ac out of 4a squared. Now next is, I have to remove this as a square root. So then I have to solve it by change that into square root on the right side. So x plus b out of 2a equals to the square root of b squared minus 4ac out of 4a squared. Now the next step again, x plus b out of 2a equals to, you can see that the square root of b squared, we cannot solve it, so we have to do it one by one. So it turns into b squared minus 4ac out of 2a, because the square root of 4a squared equals to 2a. Now we have that equation so far. The next step is, we have to move this into that side. So then x equals to negative b. Okay, let's change that. Negative b out of 2a minus square root of b squared 4ac out of 2a. As you can see that they have the same denominator, so we can simplify by writing down x equals to minus b square root. Don't forget this is turns into plus minus because that's radical. So b squared 4ac, then it turns into out of 2a. So that is the way we can find out the general equations or the general formula of quadratic equation is x equals to minus b plus minus b squared for ac out of 2a. So that is exactly the general formula. I hope that's very clear, and don't forget to share, comment, and like for my YouTube channel, and then we will talk more about the topic in math and also chemistry. So far we're going to talk about math. I'm going to prepare for the next topic for chemistry. Thank you for joining my YouTube channel.